Okay, so for some reason, Apache is not working now. It was working. Um, let's see. Here you can see this is exactly what it looked like. Like, let's see. This long ago. I'm recording this at 9:25. 4:20 is when I took that picture, and it worked just fine. Don't know what happened. Um, Not super stoked, but maybe it'll start working. Anyways, Tomcat's working. Let's start with Apache though. Go to config file. Didn't really change much in here. I just told to listen, zeroed out the IP, and just listen on port 80. Then I set, passed it here, server name. Just use my IP address. Let's double check. Maybe, just maybe. Can't remember if I had dynamic IP or not. Check it here. Far out. Yep. Everything's fine there. And that's pretty much all there was to setting up the Apache server. Trying to reload it again. I just keep getting this error over and over again. It was just working. So we'll move on to the Tomcat. This took a lot more work. I'm just gonna kind of scroll through some of these files that I was working in, kind of show where I was looking at. I'm gonna go all the way back up. I can't remember all of the inputs I used. Let's see. Systemctl start. Okay, this is where I started the HTTPD. I got double check my firewalls were down. And HTTPD was up running. See what's going on here? Yeah, I didn't think so. Anyways, where was I? Here. So the first thing I did when I was working on the Tomcat was I had to install Java 11. That took like no time at all. Next, I've created the group Tomcat and added a user. Next, major wget was installed. It was already. I had done that the other day to get. I can't remember why I did it the other day, but I did it the other day and then downloaded the tar file for Tomcat. What I had to do first, the reason you see all this here, is it wouldn't let me input the whole version, as you can see right here. It wouldn't let me input it like that. For whatever reason, probably because there was just too many periods in it. So instead of doing all that, I made ver, all capitals, reference 9.0.40, and everything went okay. We were able to, download it, unpack it, link it, and change its owner to Tomcat. I think this I just accidentally hit enter. Then we jumped into this file, created this, and this basically is just configuring everything and making sure Java's linked. Whenever you're accessing and all these services are going off, you verify that you're this user. So basically, while I'm here, it's like, oh hey, you use your Tomcat and you're talking with this computer, and I haven't messed around with this too much, but I'm guessing this is where I kind of set up my GUI for my website. Let's see. Where was I? So that was one I just did. And then next was configuration for the HTTPD. Can't remember why I jumped into there. Then I jumped into here, modified, or set up the virtual host. Oops, I meant to just, whatever. And then check my status. Oh, I see why that's popping up. Okay, that was me trying to diagnose the issues going on with Apache. I started up Tomcat, enabled, checked it, and then here is the XML file. The only thing I changed in here was these roles right here. I added, looks like I added it up here, or, weird, password didn't save. I just made some weird password before, and I added this role right here, admin, manager, username admin, roles admin, and then linked them to these. Yeah, use the user and linked them to these roles, set the password. I could change all these, but I wasn't really worried about it right now. That's all I did there. Then I had taken a break, I believe, around this time. Came back, checked the status. I wrote this, which you've already seen. And that's essentially it. I started it, got everything up and running, tested it, linked to it right here. 10.0.0.134 colon 8080 instead of 80, which is the port that this was listening on, but it's still not up and running. So yeah, it's the everything I did. It's too overcomplicated. Sure, anybody could do it. You could literally just follow this video and set up the exact same Apache Tomcat server, and then you could set up just a straight Apache one as well. But for whatever reason, it crashed on me, and I can't fix it at this moment. Yeah, that's it.